plus points and a triple double. Wow. Wow. Not for me. You can't afford it.
Scotty, congrats sa triple double 38 points. Scotty, training kayo the first quarter. Yung bang 38 points mo, was it more of kailangan maging aggressive pa na sa offense or depende din sa flow nung laro, especially nung training kayo ng malaki at start?
I think first and foremost, I want to thank God for the win tonight. I think we fought hard, no? We battled every quarter. So luckily, I think just a good time for me. Yung rhythm namin as a team, yun yung pinaka-importante. And I think yung especially yung defensive end. So malimit namin yung first sila. Of course, Jumar, that's the main key. But overall, we got the W and lucky for me.
May mistake pala, sorry. Bukod na dun sa 35 mo, 35, may 11 points, 11 rebounds and 11 assists ka. Mahirap ba yun na, yun nga, maingit ka sa offense and then ginagawa mo pa rin yung usual job mo on both ends?
I think credit din sa mga teammates ko. I think overall we lift up each other, we help each other. We stay together through ups and downs. And mahirap of course, no? Especially guarding key players nila.
You can keep asking this guy the same question, and he'll keep deflecting it to other people. He won't take any credit at all. This has been his thing throughout his whole career. So let me just say, it was a legendary performance. I think we're going to remember this one for a long time. And Scotty is the most humble guy you'll ever meet, maybe outside of Jumar. Maybe Jumar may be a little more humble than you, I don't know. So it's a competition. And we see that on the Gilas team. But it's no doubt it's a legendary performance. And you know, I think he came out. He was more aggressive tonight than you know. He was looking for things, and I think the more he became a threat, the more he was able to open up lanes for him to make passes as well. And so, I mean, but like Scotty said earlier in the interview outside, every game is different. So right now it's just 2-2. It's a best of 3 at this point. We can see what happens in Game 5.